What's up, y'all? I'm so nervous. Today, I'm having my first round robin, and I'm here with vendors from Chanel, and I'm a whole vendor, and I'm just nervous, y'all. So I'm proactive. So this is my little setup. I'm so excited, y'all, but I don't know. But I'm so excited. Oh my god.
I hope everybody knows Jamie. Hi, I'm Jamie. So I know Tuscaloosa is in the house, Coleman's in the house, Birmingham is in the house. Obviously, this is Hoover. Hi.
I was so nervous. I'm gonna talk to y'all about it. So let me tell y'all what a round robin is. A round robin is when companies from around the district, they come and they teach the associates about their brands so that when we're not in store, they still can sell our brands. So today was my first round robin, and like at first I thought I was not prepared because I didn't even have like my samples or anything like that's still in Montgomery, but it just so happened I had extra like gratis is another word for samples, but my gratis is full size, but I had extra gratis and I had just enough gratis for everybody. But yeah, long story short, this was my first round robin and I was just so nervous. And a more detailed description is like employees from Ulta, they come to the robins to learn about all the brands. So us as the brand ambassadors, our job is we have 15 minutes. So we got to talk for 15 whole minutes. Like, I know that sounds easy. I know like when in school you had a presentation and they made that yeah. Alright, so the best part about this is I got to get gratis from other companies. So I'm gonna show y'all all the gratis that I got. So on average, it was probably 4 other companies other than me. And I'm finna show y'all what I got as gratis from them. Okay, so first of all, don't talk about my nails because they don't look good. Alright, so first I'm gonna start with toothpaste. So I got this bag. It's a Damn Girl. Cause toothpaste, they have a new mascara that has that's called Damn Girl. And it came with a lipstick and it came with Better Than Sex mascara, and it came with a cute little pin that says Damn Girl. Yeah. Alright, next, y'all ever heard of It Cosmetics? I got this brush from It Cosmetics. It's a 2-in-1. It is it's a foundation and yeah, it's a brush. I'm probably gonna use it, but I got that. I got these samples from Chanel, so I don't know what this is, but yes, and this is a hydro but yes, I have 2 of the Hydro Beauty Micro I have a Hydro Beauty Micro Cream and I have a Hydro Beauty Micro Serum. You can't see it, but it's by Chanel. And a Micro Gel, I don't know what that is, but it seems pretty cool. And then I have this Saint Trezor. This is a bronzing water gel. Y'all can't see, but it's a bronzing water gel, and then it came with this. I don't know how to use it yet. Like, I didn't get a description on how to use it, but it smells good. It smells really good, so I'm excited about trying it. But it does have like this to like show you. I don't know why my phone don't want to focus. What? Something like that. But yes, that's pretty cool. So I feel like my first one was on that road on the low. But yeah, that's all I got. And and I had got some candy. And another lady, she brought Panera bread. But y'all know I'm tired of Panera bread. I'm tired of Panera bread, so I didn't want none of that, but I ate some candy. But yes, not to mention the Estee Lauder executive asked me to join her team. Don't worry, y'all, when I get nervous, I get acne. That's what that, because I know y'all probably won't. But I was like, you want me to join your team? But I can't join her team because I'm already with a whole nother company, and like I got 2 jobs. Yeah, that's super awesome. So if you guys like what you have seen today, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn the notifications on, the little bell. I would really appreciate it. And I actually have another round robin that I have to do tomorrow, so I will give you guys an update on my second round robin. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go better than today, even though today it was just awesome, but I feel like it's just gonna be super lit. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in.